I just ran the most honest AI experiment on YouTube. I let ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini create my entire content strategy for the next 7 videos. The titles, the scripts, the hooks, the thumbnails, everything. The result? 5 videos completely flopped. 2 became my best performing content ever. And the reason why will shock you. Because it's not what you think. It's not that AI is bad at creating content. It's that AI is too good at creating content that feels safe. Here's what happened. Video 1 got 847 views. Video 2 got 12,400 views. Video 3 got 324 views. Video 4 got 1,100 views. Video 5 got 289 views. Video 6 got 18,900 views. Video 7 got 412 views. 2 winners, 5 failures. And a pattern so clear that once I saw it, I couldn't believe I missed it. Today, I'm breaking down all 7 videos. What AI suggested, what worked, what bombed, and the one thing AI keeps getting wrong that's costing creators thousands of views. If you're using AI for content creation or thinking about it, this video will save you months of wasted effort. Let's dive in. So here's how I designed this experiment. I wanted to test one simple question. Can AI create viral YouTube content without human intervention? Not just scripts. I mean, the full package. Video ideas, titles, thumbnails, concepts, hook structure, call to actions, everything. Here's the exact process I used. Step 1. I gave 3 different AI tools, ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. The same brief. Analyze my last 20 videos, study my successful videos and my failures, then create 7 video concepts that will perform well for my audience. I gave them access to my channel analytics, my best performing titles, my audience demographics, my niche, productivity, and AI tools. Step 2. Each AI gave me 7 video ideas. I picked the 7 most different concepts across all 3 AIs. Step 3. I let AI write the full script for each video. No editing, no changes, just pure AI content. Step 4. I recorded and published all 7 videos in 7 days, 1 per day. Now here's what I promised myself. I wouldn't change anything. No matter how weird the script felt, no matter how boring the hook sounded, I'd deliver it exactly as written. Because that's the only way to get honest results. And honestly, by video 3, I was already regretting this decision. But I committed. So I kept going. And what I discovered changed how I use AI forever. Let me show you what happened with the first 3 videos. Video 1. 10 AI tools that will change your life in 2025. AI's reasoning. List videos perform well, and this title is search friendly. Views 847. Watch time 32%. My reaction painfully generic. Here's what AI got wrong. The title sounds like 10,000 other videos. There's no curiosity gap, no personality, no reason to click. When I watched the video back, I realized something. AI created content that was perfect for 2019 YouTube, but in 2025, it's invisible. Video 2. I tried the viral productivity method for 30 days. AI's reasoning. Challenge videos have high engagement, and this follows a proven format. Views 12,400. Watch time 58%. My reaction. Wait, this one actually worked? This was my first winner. But here's the interesting part. I almost didn't make it because the script felt boring to me. The AI structured it as a day-by-day breakdown with personal stories, failures, and a clear transformation. Turns out that format still works, but there was something else. The thumbnail AI suggested was different. It showed a before-after comparison with my exhausted face on day 1 and my energized face on day 30. Emotion. That's what made people click. Video 3. ChatGPT versus Claude versus Gemini. Which one is best? AI's reasoning. Comparison videos generate high engagement and comments. Views 324. Watch time 22%. My reaction. This should have worked. Why didn't it? Here's what I learned. AI suggested this title because comparison videos historically perform well, but the script was too balanced. AI tried to be fair to all 3 tools. It said things like each has its strengths and it depends on your use case. But viewers don't want balance. They want opinions. They want someone to say, this one is the best, period. AI is too diplomatic, and that kills engagement. By video 3, I noticed a pattern. AI creates content that's logical, well-structured, and completely forgettable. It's like AI is trying to get a B+ on every video instead of swinging for an A+ or risking an F. And that's exactly the problem. Video 4 and 5 are where things got weird. Because after 3 videos, I told the AI, these are too safe. Give me something bold, something controversial. And boy, did it deliver. Video 4. AI will replace 90% of content creators in 6 months. AI's reasoning. Controversial takes generate clicks and watch time. Views 1,100. Watch time 41%. Comments mostly angry. My reaction. I felt like a fraud. Here's the problem. AI created a clickbait title that I didn't even agree with. The script argued that AI would replace most creators, but but I don't actually believe that. And it showed in my delivery. I sounded unconvincing because I was reading words I didn't believe. The comment section was brutal. This is fear-mongering. You clearly don't understand AI. Unsubscribe. Lesson learned: AI will happily create controversial content, but it doesn't care if you actually believe it, and viewers can tell when you're faking it. Video 5. The secret YouTube algorithm hack nobody talks about. AI's reasoning: secret hack keywords perform well in titles. Views: 289, watch time: 19%. My reaction: this is embarrassing. This was my worst performing video, and here's why. The secret hack was just basic YouTube SEO. Nothing secret, nothing special, just repackaged advice that's been said a million times. AI used clickbait language, but the content didn't deliver on the promise, and viewers punished me for it. The like to dislike ratio was terrible. The comments were even worse. Where's the hack? Waste of 10 minutes. This is the same advice everyone gives. Here's what I realized. AI knows clickbait formulas. It knows words like secret, hack, nobody talks about, but it doesn't understand the responsibility that comes with those words. If you promise a secret, you better deliver an actual secret. AI can write the promise, but it can't deliver the value. That's your job. And honestly, video 5 made me want to quit the experiment. I felt like I was losing credibility with my audience, but I had 2 more videos to go, and that's when everything changed. Video 6 became my best performing video of the year. 18,900 views, 67% watch time, 847 comments, 1,200 new subscribers. And the crazy part? I almost didn't make it. Video 6. I wasted 6 months on YouTube before I learned this. AI's reasoning: vulnerability and personal lessons resonate with audiences. Views: 18,900. Watch time: 67%. My reaction: this feels too personal. Here's what happened. I gave AI my channel analytics and asked it to identify my biggest mistake. And it said, "You're optimizing for views, not retention. You're chasing trends instead of building authority." Then it created a script where I admitted my failures, showed my embarrassing early videos, and explained what I learned. The hook was, I wasted 6 months making the wrong type of content. Here's the one thing I wish I knew on day 1. When I read the script, I hated it. It made me look like an idiot. It exposed my failures. It felt too vulnerable, but I promised I'd stick to the experiment. So I recorded it, and something magical happened. When I was reading the script, I started adding my own stories, my own emotions, my own frustrations. The AI gave me the skeleton. I gave it the soul, and viewers felt it. The comments were incredible. This is the most real YouTube video I've seen. I needed to hear this. Finally, someone being honest. Here's what I learned. AI is actually good at identifying what makes content resonate. It analyzed my data and saw that my vulnerable videos outperform my polished ones. But here's the key. AI gave me permission to be vulnerable. It gave me the structure, but I had to bring the authenticity. You can't fake vulnerability. You can't script authenticity. AI can point you in the right direction, but you have to walk the path yourself. This video taught me something crucial. AI isn't here to replace your voice. It's here to help you find it. The last video was a test. After video 6 crushed it, I wanted to see if AI could repeat the formula. Video 7. Why most people fail at YouTube and how to be different. AI's reasoning. This follows the successful vulnerability format from video 6. Views: 412. Watch time: 28%. My reaction: so the formula doesn't just work automatically? This video bombed. And at first, I didn't understand why. It had the same structure as video 6, same vulnerability angle, same personal story format, but it felt forced. And that's when I realized the difference. Video 6 was my story. I lived it. I felt it. When I told that story, it was real. Video 7 was AI's guess at what my story should be. It created a narrative that sounded right but didn't feel right. AI can replicate structure. It can't replicate experience. Here's the brutal truth. If you try to use AI to fake authenticity, your audience will know. They might not be able to explain why the video feels off, but they'll feel it, and they'll click away. The difference between video 6 and video 7 taught me the most important lesson of this entire experiment. AI is a tool, not a shortcut. You can use it to organize your thoughts. You can use it to structure your content. You can even use it to identify what resonates with your audience. But you can't use it to replace your unique perspective, because that's the only thing that makes you irreplaceable. Alright, let's break down the pattern. After analyzing all 7 videos, here's what I discovered. What AI is amazing at: analyzing data and finding patterns in successful content, creating clear structures and outlines, identifying topics that have search demand, writing technically correct scripts, suggesting proven formats, challenges, breakdowns, lists. What AI is terrible at: taking creative risks, having strong opinions, being authentic, understanding context and nuance, knowing when to break the rules. Here's the winning formula I discovered. Let AI handle the 40%. You handle the 60%. AI's 40%. Research and analysis, structure and organization. First draft and outline, data-driven insights. Format suggestions. Your 60%. Unique perspective and opinion. Personal stories and experiences. Emotional delivery and authenticity. Strategic creative risks. Personality and voice. The two videos that worked, video 2 and video 6, followed this exact pattern. AI gave me the framework. I brought the humanity. The 5 videos that failed, they were either too safe, video 1, 3, too fake, video 4, 5, too robotic, video 7. And here's the secret that most people miss. AI doesn't make bad content. It makes average content. And average content is invisible on YouTube in 2025. To stand out, you need to be exceptional. And exceptional comes from taking risks, having opinions, and being yourself. AI can help you organize your thoughts, but it can't give you courage. That part is still on you. So there you have it. 7 videos, 2 winners, 5 failures, and 1 clear lesson: AI is the best assistant you'll ever have. But it's the worst creator you could rely on. Use it to save time. Use it to organize ideas. Use it to structure content. But never let it replace your voice. Because here's the truth. In a world where everyone has access to the same AI tools, the only competitive advantage you have is being yourself. Your perspective, your stories, your risks, your authenticity. That's what AI can never replicate. If this experiment taught you something valuable, hit the like button so more creators can see this. Subscribe if you want more honest AI breakdowns. And here's your homework. Take your next video idea. Let AI give you the structure, but promise yourself you'll add at least 3 personal stories that AI couldn't write. That's how you create content that actually matters. Thanks for watching. Now go create something real.